this is Albert with Gutter Pro of Jacksonville. We're out here, we're about to demo this old gutter. I just thought I'd show you some of the issues that you can have when a professional doesn't install your gutters. These are undersized, these are 5-inch gutters. They're also sectional. So we have 1, 2, 3 pieces joined together along this length. Those are areas where it can leak. If you come over here, you'll see that they did not use all aluminum over here. This is plastic that's starting to degrade on the downspout. We also have the gutters leaning forward because this is angled fascia, and there should be wedges on the back of the gutters to keep them straight. All of this is kind of causing problems. This undersized system is installed properly. As you can see, this plastic stuff underneath the ground that's not ready to go in the ground, it's degrading, it's coming apart. All of this is going to cause drainage issues, damage to the house, damage to the wood, damage to the foundation. So we're going to come in here and upsize these gutters. We're going to size them properly, we're going to install them properly, and we're going to show you what that looks like. All right, and now we're finished up over here. We got this 6-inch seamless gutter installed. There's going to be a few key differences between this and what we had there before. As you can see, you can no longer see inside the gutter. That's because we do have wedges on the back, and that's holding the front nice and straight. We got a larger size. We got a 6-inch. That's appropriate for this roof. Over here, we have a splash guard for the roof valley. That's going to make sure that any water that comes off that valley in a heavy rain gets caught and diverted back into the gutter. Our splash guards are bent on the end to make sure that that happens and there's no splash over. And then as you walk down this way, you'll see that it's pitched towards the downspout. That's going to enable everything to drain properly and no water to sit and stand in there. And then we have a much larger downspout. This is a 3x4 downspout compared to the 2x3 downspout that was there earlier. And that is not only going to be moving a lot more water through it, but it's also going to be a lot harder to clog if any leaves or debris get in there. And of course, we have a nice solid aluminum extension, and that's to bring the water out away from the house, make sure that it's not backflowing and sitting against the foundation at all. So we got a much better installed, larger gutter here now. This is proper for what you should have on this type of house, and this is what we do over here at Gutter Pro.